Vice President Eagles Flight. I welcome all of you on behalf of BYLD Group to attend a high energy session on Eagles Flight, which is being conducted by our own CEO, Asia Pacific, Mr. Andrew Thomas. Andrew would be taking you through our experiential learning with fun through our best-selling program known as Windjammer.
After they've gone through the experience, the really powerful thing then is how in a conversation do we take people to understand, wow, that was really interesting. When I went through that experience, I didn't think, as I sit back and I think of what I did and I reflect on it, I didn't think I would have done that. Why did we make those decisions, or why didn't we do this? Why were we so intent on just getting things done rather than coming up with a strategy, putting our plan into place? Things that intellectually we can write a list of very easily, intellectually, of what we should do, but behaviorally, in the moment, under pressure, that we just do differently.
All were able to, in the end, point out our own mistakes, and there was a scope of improvement.
We can both see a lot of opportunities where we can actually go back and apply some specific learnings from the workshop to our day-to-day work.
At any leadership position or workshop where am I planning for anything to do with change management, certainly Windjammer will be one of the programs that I would like to think about.